Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the scanner type and available computer ports so you don't waste time. Plug the cable into the scanner and then into the computer. Once done, power the scanner if it has a switch. If the scanner is USB HID, it usually appears as a keyboard, so open a text editor to test scans. If it's serial, install the driver and note the COM port number. This matters because your software will need that exact port to receive data. Once the hardware is recognized, configure the receiving application to accept input. If you're using a COM port, match baud rate and frame settings so characters translate correctly. Mismatches cause gibberish. For USB HID, ensure cursor focus lands in the correct input field and add an enter suffix if needed to trigger form submission. You should also enable only the barcode symbologies you use to avoid stray reads, and save or upload the scanner's configuration so behavior stays consistent across sessions. Now validate the whole workflow by scanning typical items and completing full transactions to confirm data flows correctly. If values are missing or garbled, stop and verify cable seating, correct COM port, and matching serial parameters. Make sure the input field has focus and the scanner's suffix/prefix settings match your app's expectations. Finally, if things still fail, run the manufacturer's diagnostic tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.